Hey guys, today this video is going to be about maximizing your earnings with support and resistance levels, identifying SNR levels, how to capitalize on obviously entries, how to capitalize on the whole move, knowing when to hold the move or knowing when to enter the move, knowing when to get out the move. So without wasting any time, let's go straight into this. Obviously, as you can see, I've already drawn these key levels. Now as you can see, you can probably hear some background noise, the doors closing and all that. No editing involved, just want to keep this as raw as possible. So if you look at this level here, apologies for the background noise, it just obviously I'm in the office. So okay, so the area of interest so far, let's just get out of the way, is if you look at this, I'm on GJ, this is the 185.900 level and this one is the 184.600 level, should we call it, or rough estimate, it's called it, yeah, 600 level. Now so if we look at the 4-hour time frame now, okay, look at this guys. So prices come up here, right? Now we know in the past this has also been a respected area. Why? Because price comes up, right, rejects here, wick rejections, comes back up, we got multiple, another wick rejection, comes back up, comes down, we got a wick rejection here as well, comes back up, back down, breakthrough, wick rejection, straight back down, wick rejection. So you get the idea, right? Now obviously you've got wick rejections here, so price now comes back to this level again. So price does a breakthrough, comes back to retest, and for the breakout retest strategy, you can do breakout retest strategy. It's going to be beautiful, entry from here and just shoot off there. Now if we break it to a small time frame, so now we know this is a key area now, but we're not looking at no breakouts, we're not looking at anything like that. We're simply looking at support and resistance levels, right? Now we know this is a respected area. Now this is resistance, one floor here, the bottom floor is support, the top floor is, let me just call it, is resistance. So let's call it a different color. Okay, to make it simpler, let's call it support red. Perfect. So this is the roof, this is the floor. Now how do we capitalize on this, right? First, now we know in the past, from the past we know, the roofs created here and the floor was what this was. Now prices enter that area again. So now that it's entered again, okay, so the first entry we could have taken, now we don't just take entry, remember, now these look nice, 1 to 10s, 12 pips, decent size stop loss, 1 to 10 here again. So if you were taking this trade, even if you would have made your stop loss bigger, let's say below this wick rejection, this will be a nice 1 to 6 even made it the same size again, 20 pips stop loss, 19 pips stop loss, let's make it 20 pips, call about 20 there, 1 to 6, nice, risk to reward, 12% in total. In how much time? Would have started from here all the way up to here, you would have gained 12% in about 5 days, in about, call it within 1 week. On a 100k account, that's, you would have made about 12 grand on a 100k account, prop firm account. So okay, let's dissect this now down even more. So if I actually just keep that there and let's go to a smaller time frame and I'm gonna dissect this even more, right? Okay, let's see what we have here. Now watch this guys, price shoots down and we've got this rejection here, right? Let me just move this out of the way so you can see better. We've got this rejection wick here and the price closes, 1 minute, closes bullish. Remember, we always wait for the candle to close. Okay, now look at this guys, rejection here, engulfing. Now the previous candles are bullish, not bearish, but look at this strong buy signal here. Wait for a little bit of retracement, even if you take the entry from here, and this would have give you a nice entry. Now how do we get an extra confirmation? Price created this high here, right? Now look at this, price did a breakout. First they rejected it, now look at this guys, first they rejected it with this strong bear candle shooting star candlestick, but still normally this would have been a nice, remember this guys, okay, the candlestick formed here, right, but it's in no man's land. Why? Supports here. If it would have formed here, then you know it would how do could I say this, spike our attention. But no, here this is the roof, remember this is resistance, this is the floor, this is support, so this has no value here. But again, this is resistance here, but minor level of resistance, so it has some, but in my eyes, look, the breakout here. Now price comes back to retest this area, and there you go, look at that, clean guys. It might come down, you never know. Well, it's just going higher and higher. Beautiful. See, do you know what you could have even done this at this point, guys? Once this, what price point is this? Is this probably a certain level, a 184.950 level area? You could have taken another entry here once price came back down here, so you would be risking 2% on the trade, and this would have given you, if we do this would give you 4.5%, including the 6% here. You would have made 10.6% in a matter of, yes, I understand 2% risk. In a matter of 2 days and 15 hours, you would have made about, there you go, 10%, a little over 10%. That would have been nice. Now, okay, how do we know when to get out? Now look at this, guys. Even look at this, look at that again. Break and retest, you can use this to your advantage. Price, you could have got another entry, not just from here, then another one from here. Price is creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? Within the move itself that we wanna from here to here, but look how the price is moving nicely, right? So now look at this, guys. Now what this, even if you look at it from here, if I just click on this again, look at this, guys. Price breaks out, comes back down to retest this area, shoots back up. Perfect. Could have had another entry, and then look at this, guys. If I move this, look at that on top of them wicks. Price, look at that. How beautiful is that? How perfect is that? And then remember, now look at this. Now look at this. What this, guys? Now I don't know if you've probably picked it up, but I'll just go through this quickly. Price came into this area. Remember what I said? It matters where the candlesticks form. So now the candlesticks are formed in our where the roof is, right? So what you do, if I remember what I mentioning earlier, price broke through, it came down, and then we start getting multiple wick rejections. Then this evening star here, but also an engulfing candle, but this time it closed below the 185.840 level, and it closed, but previously was a resistance here, because I've drawn this line. Now it's closed below, and then the next candle is even bigger, and it breaks through the previous roof. This line, look, it breaks, this one breaks through. If you look at the previous candles, look, price came down, did it break through this line? No. Price went back up, when it came out to retest, did it break through this line? No. Now when it come back down this time, it broke this line, and this one broke this line. So now we know the intentions of price. So if I just do this, you can have it from the next floor. It's a 16 pip stop loss. I want to keep it nice and safe, and let's just say we were looking for a 1 to 3, which is common, right? Let's see what it does. Keeps going. There you go. A nice 1 to 3. Okay, now on the way down, let's see what we can recognize on the way. The things that we can pick up on the way down. On the way down, let's just see. Breakout comes back to retest, right? So if you look at now, we've got to remember, always keep your eyes out for anything. If I just broke through, but in my eyes, if I to this would have been better. Yeah. Price, look, wick rejections at the bottom, it came back down, but look, wick rejections here at the top now. So this is a key area, because even this, the first clue is this area, this equal low here. So this is support level. Price breaks through, comes back up to retest this area, and you can take another entry about above this wick rejection here, and price just tanks to give you another 1 to 6. Is it 1.9? I mean 5.98. Yeah, call it 1 to 6. Well, now it's 6.6. And then if you look at this, guys, again on the way down, Look at this. Support, breaks through. If I just move the other way, support, breaks through, comes back up to retest, 2 bullish candles, comes up to retest, and just keeps tanking down. Beautiful, beautiful. And this would give you another entry. One was this one. If I just clone this, and this could have been another entry at 2% even. You know, look, remember, look, we're not even reached the floor yet. We're not even reached support yet. Price keeps going. Let's play this. Okay, now check this out, guys. Okay, let's do this. There. Now this just about our second entry, so close to hit our stop loss, right? But let's just say it did, right? Take away the -1. Remember the -1. Let's just say, you know what, we only take one entry. We don't do double entries. So we lost that one trade, and our original entry, which was down here. So now this gives a 1 to 11 minus the one, you know, the trade that we just lost, and that would have obviously in total 10% profit. Now this is on the way down. I mean, even when you look here, look at this, guys. I just stretched it forward, and look, retest here as well, and just falls here. So if I just go back down, I mean, you can all look at the small time frames. Look at this, guys. We've got this equal. If I just move this out of the way, let me just delete this. Look, bullish candle engulfing, not engulfing the whole candle, but the body of the candle engulfs bullish, and it happened in the area of support, and then you can take another buy. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. A little bit on support and resistance. I don't like keeping the videos too long. Just want to provide as much value as I possibly can in the short span amount of time. Hope you found this value in this video, guys, and take care. And if you liked it, hit that like and subscribe. Take care. I'm out.